Hello hipster. Today I'll show you how to easily remove and put back the earpads cushions, Marshall monitor headphones, as well as a quick disassembly, to see what's inside these Marshall monitor Bluetooth wireless headphones. This video will be useful if you want to fix them. In the next video, I will show you how to fix a broken Marshall monitor joystick, because a new replacement joystick part is not available. But now, we take off the ear cup. It's very easy, because they are held in place by a magnet. You just have to take them off. Do the same with the other earpad cushion, it's very easy. The link to the new replacement earpads is in the video description. To unscrew the headphones housing, you will need a Torx screwdriver. For these screws it is a T9 size. Unscrew all the screws, and carefully open the headphone housing. As you can see, on this side is the joystick and the battery. Here's the battery capacity, if you want to extend the working time of your Marshall monitor headphones. Unscrew the other side, in the same way. As you can see, there is the whole heart of the headphone. I hope someone will find these wiring photos useful. I would be glad for a feedback. To put together the headphone, just put the cable back in place, and you can screw housing together. To put the earpad cushions back on, you have to look which side is left or right, then look at the matching earpad, and put it on top. The magnet will pull it into the right place by itself. Replacing new earpads for Marshall monitor headphones is really that easy. Don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next video, where I will show you how to fix a broken Marshall monitor joystick. Good luck.